I'm David Franklin. I'm a wood carver, public art artist, and this class is about Northwest Coast canoe bowls. And so what we're doing is taking historic Northwest Coast canoe forms and turning them into bowls and kind of exaggerating the form, foreshortening them. And these are all the canoe styles of the Pacific Northwest, so people in class can choose any style they want or make their own piece. And I'm here to help you, support you, show you all these different kind of tools that a lot of people aren't used to, and do whatever I can to make these guys successful in their projects. Well, Marc School of Woodworking is an amazing place with a ton of creative people, and I'm super lucky to be here teaching. I always learn a ton when I come here from everybody else that is here. Next year, I have a big project I'm working on, but look for me back here in 2024 at Marc School of Woodworking, the heart of woodworking in America.